Hey you guys, so I wanted to share with you how I made not only this glass tumbler, but also where I ordered it from. I don't know about you guys, but I love shopping online and I love looking for websites that actually have good quality items at a good quality price. And this one right here, Temu, I'm addicted to this website now. It actually has an app so you can download it to your phone, which I did, and I order all the time. This is just one package. I've ordered all kinds of items on here, not just crafting supplies, but as you can see here, I ordered a portable speaker, a doorbell camera, that's Wi-Fi. I also ordered some crafting supplies and a shoe organizer. But the one thing that I wanted to share with you guys that I ordered was this glass square tumbler. And look at the way they package everything. Everything is just so well packaged. You don't have to worry about it bending or breaking. And this tumbler right here isn't just your regular round one, it's a square tumbler. And you can order it with the handle and the straw, all different colors. They have, I want to say, about 5 or 6 different colors that you can choose from. So you can order these, say, for a wedding party, or like I'm doing it for Easter. So I just ordered everyone a different color, including myself. This one right here is my own tumbler, my personal one that I'm going to keep. So all I did to make this into a DIY is I just made some decals and I wanted to keep it simple. All I did was just grab and make some cactus decals and I put them on either end of my tumbler. Now this tumbler, I want to let you guys know it was under $10. Basically everything on this website is under $10. So you guys will be addicted just like I am. But this one I believe was $6.99 and it's like a 13-ounce glass tumbler. And I just liked it because, like, again, I said it's a square one and it's kind of a unique style because it does have the wood top and then the straw is also glass as well. So all I did was add my name to it. And I'm just going to share with you how I'm decorating all the other glass tumblers that I'm giving away as Easter gifts. This one, again, is just mine. But all I did was I made sure I sealed everything on the tumbler itself. Then I just put some fun decorative streamer in there and then also an Easter egg. Tied a cute little ribbons on my straw. And there you have it, an adorable Easter gift under $10. So go ahead and check out Temu. I'm leaving a link down below in the description box along with a discount code for 30% off your first time order. Have fun shopping on Temu.